Hey guys, welcome back to Delstack, and today I will be showing you how to delete a Discord account. So to do this process, first thing that you must understand is you could go ahead and transfer the ownership of your servers if you don't want to lose them, or you could delete all the servers before deleting your account. So pretty much to do that, you could just simply go for the Discord server and go for the server name. And of course, you will have over here the server settings, and you could just simply delete the server. And after that, once you have provided all of the necessary information or save your data, you can just simply go ahead and go for the user settings down below over here. Click on it, and now you will have here my account. So go ahead and scroll down over here on the my account tab, and from here you will have the account removal. So from here you could have two options. You can either disable your account, which you can reactivate it again, but when you delete an account, it means that it will delete everything, including the registration of your email. So just simply select delete your account. And as you can see, like I said, you have to delete the server first or transfer the ownership to the server that you own in order for you to proceed with this process. And guys, if you want to transfer the ownership, you will just simply go for the server settings, and you will have here members, and from here select the three dots over here, and you can make a transfer into your friend. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.